Hi guys, good evening. It's just one of those days on a work weekday, but I wanted to film because I wore makeup to work after a very long time, and I thought, Ramya, you should record this moment because it has been so crazy busy that I don't get to do makeup. And for me, full face makeup means eyeshadow, eyeliner, concealer, a little bit of foundation, my lipstick, and that's about it. Today I also went ahead and highlighted the under brow area. So that's what's going on. I absolutely loved what I chose for my makeup today, and that's my baby. I just picked him up from daycare. It's snap and go days these days, guys, because I come back from work, I go to pick up my son from his daycare, I come back, I have to feed him, laundry, milk bottle cleaning, catch up on work. And luckily my husband knows cooking. My husband helps me with cooking and a little bit of household work, so amen to that. Okay, so I've been trying to post these flat lay pictures on Instagram. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these days flat lay products, flat lay pictures, which means like you place all the products in like a nice arrangement and then you take a picture shot of it and then add it on an Instagram feed. That's like a dream for me. I am not able to get the kind of picture I want to, but moving post that, I'm going to add what I have on my eyes. I have no idea, I can't see the products. Okay, this is one of my favorite small palettes. This is the Lorac Platinum Status eyeshadow palette. Lorac is not cruelty free, unfortunately, but I want to use up this palette and yeah, get as much use out of this. So if you can see that the most used color is the middle color, that's what I have on my eyelids. It's faded, but it did pretty good because I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer that I have in the sample size. This is what I used on the eyelids as my primer, and then I lined my eyes with this Kohl Kajal pencil. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pencil in Black by Pixie by Petra. This pencil right here is about $16. Pixie is a cruelty-free company. I'm not sure if they're organic and vegan, but their products are really amazing. I love their eyeshadows. I have to try them sometime. And I actually blended my eyeshadow with this favorite color of mine. This is the Makeup Geek little quad that I added, and this palette is actually a custom palette from e.l.f. So this is the bottom left brown that you see is the shade Cocoa Bear. It's a beautiful brown. If you don't have it in your collection, you must pick it up. These single eyeshadows from Makeup Geek are about like $5 or $6 and they're pretty much worth it. The lip shade I'm wearing is actually a very natural lip color. It's currently in my bag because I take the lip products with me to work so I can touch up. And it's the pencil by Jonte Blue. We got this in one of our BoxyCharm videos. BoxyCharm boxes. And that's how the pencil looks like. It's in the shade 943 Brown Sugar. It's a beautiful brown. I think this kind of looked a little bit like MAC's Viva Glam 3 on my lips. It's faded, but it did a pretty good where I just outlined my lips with this pencil and then added the color inside as well and have nothing else on my lips. And I added a little bit of highlight. This camera is superb. I should tell you, my skin is not as flawless as this camera makes it look. I am being honest. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'm going to add a tripod here so you can see what's going on, and I can maybe probably fast forward it. I have to do laundry. I have to clean my son's bottles like I mentioned. And he's cute. This cutie pie looking at me. Hi, Rishan. Hi, Chifu. Woo. Woo. Ah. Rishan. Hi, Chifu. Onte. Ontale? Hi. Hi. He screams at the top of his lungs. I feel like he's going to lose his voice, but he screams at the top of his voice, so it's cute. It's cute to watch. So yeah, that's what's going on, guys. How are you? I'm really sorry. I'm trying my best to film like makeup videos. I haven't been able to do that, but maybe this is the best way I can use my palettes and then share my look of the day kind of a video with you guys. I'm going to use this Femme Rosa She palette. I got this from Colourpop a while back. It's been almost like months that I have this in my collection, and I have not been able to play around with the colors. Look how beautiful they look. So yeah, that's what's going on in this palette. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Oh, so these are the ones that I started introducing for my son. This is the Earth's Best rice and whole grain oatmeal cereal. He loves these cereals currently. We introduced him to solid foods. I'm currently cleaning out his bottles. I have Medela and Dr. Brown's bottles that I use for my son. Alright, so this is the sterilizing equipment. It's microwavable and completely safe. I'm going to add about 10 minutes right there while this water gets boiled up. Darishan, Nana Chiru. I have a setup here where I change his diaper and make him fresh for the evening. Da. Come. He's crawling. Hi. Amma, ఏం చేస్తుంది రిషాన్? Saree, ga, ma, pa, da, di, sa, ni, da, pa. Hi guys! Happy weekend. I just wanted to quickly share my outfit. Let me see if this camera is zoomed in. So this is a Kalamkari saree. I got this black blouse stitched. We just came back from a friend's party, and my makeup is pretty simple. This is the Physicians Formula liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Natural, I think. I love the color so far. It's so natural color looking, even though it's berry. The shade definitely looks different on my lips than what you see on the tube. And this black metal set right here, I got this from India. My sister got it from an online store, I think, and the set is about 2000 rupees. That's how the Kalamkari sari pretty much looks like. And my blouse, it has this sleeveless full hands. Let me show you. It has the sleeveless full hands, and actually how the saree looks like. It's my sister's saree, I think. I asked my mom to leave it for me so I could wear it once, and then కోరిక తీర్చుకుందామని. సో ఇవాళ ఛాన్స్ దొరికింది, సో వేసేసుకున్నా. మై మేకప్ ఇస్ లైక్ రియలీ సింపుల్. దిస్ eyeshadow color is like a highlighter color from my Becca palette, and then eyeliner, kajal, and then a small bindi. So that's the look today. ఏంటది వేస్తున్నా. హాయ్. So this is how a close-up of the jewelry neck piece I was wearing earlier looks like. It's a peacock. It has pink stones. It has these kind of spirals, and then goes with these round bead kind of structure with pink and green stones. And that's how the earrings look like. It looks very pretty. That's Rishan's face sitting in the first time in his high chair. Hi Nana.
Something's missing.
Baunda? Nee high chair baunda? I have no idea what model this is. Rishan. Hi. Baunda? You're on mommy's camera, Rishan.
Rishan Pandali, Rishan Kannali.
Hi.
Kannali, Jam Pandali.
Rishan serial తింటున్నాడు. యమ్మీ సీరియల్ వాడు చాలా ఇష్టం.
ఏముంది సీరియల్లో ఏముంది రిషాన్కి ఏముంది వస్తుంది సీరియల్ నీ దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది ముందు రానవసరం లేదు.
ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ తగ్గించాలి.
హలో మేము పబ్లిక్ ఫిగర్ అయిన రమ్య వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాము. యూట్యూబ్లోకి వెళ్తుందని చెప్పి భయపెడుతున్నారు, కానీ మాకు భయం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే మేము బట్టలు వేసుకున్నాక
ఇవన్నీ వెళ్ళిపోతాయి.
బిర్యానీ వండుతున్న షెఫ్ మిస్టర్ రజనీష్ గుప్తా
వాడోడు
అంటే మిత్ర. అసలు బయటికి రాకుండా
కెమెరా ఇస్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ ప్రియాంక.
బయటికి రాకుండా ఉండడం కోసం మారు పేర్లు.
I'm just putting an ice pack for my tendinitis, and Harish is testing out my brace.
తెలుగు ఫ్యాన్స్ కోసం మీకోసం.
హాయ్ హలో, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
మీ భాషలో
ఇదేంటి యూట్యూబ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే
నేనే తొలి పరిచయం హరీష్.
హాయ్ రిషాన్, ఇక్కడ చెడు